But I think this one. I think with this. Half only.
Yeah, you will make
Palaban parang powder.
ilang pride sa'yo. Grabe, you have too much pride. But maybe we will compromise with the pride.
Ay, glass, mana? Ay, glass. Glass. Forward.
You said no plastic for in the dining.
So, ano yung pinatibot o in the...
Maybe they over there. We will, if you want they drink, they have, maybe we will ask the drinks. Right?
No, no, I didn't.
Yung fried appetizer namin, medium shrimp na pura. Ilang shrimp minuto? May apat lang, di ba? 4 pieces lang, don't make it 5. 4 pieces shrimp na pura.
May meron problema. Gusto pala ito.